Hey, don't do it. Don't even try it. I mean, don't skip this video, because in this video you would see just how hard we are trying to raise the future husbands of your daughters. We are praying and hoping that you are keeping pace with our future daughter-in-laws, you, because a 100,000 yards husband material deserves a wife that matches the fabric, you. We are giving out luxury fabric, so we are not expecting Ankara in return, though. So now I am training my own boy to become domesticated so as to be helpful to his future family, and I am starting with this junior chef real cooking sets. So I want you to also meet the pace. I want us to do it bumper to bumper together. Like, let us raise good future partners for our children. Yes, now, because teamwork makes the dream marriage work. So go and get your kids their own chef set too. Match the pace, not just the outfit. May we always mashallah partners for each other. Amen. Be easy in the laugh.
Assalamu alaikum. Today we've got Chef Abdullah in the building. So what do you want to be doing?
Cooking
Good. What will you be cooking?
noodles.
Yeah. So Abdullah wants to learn how to make noodles. And of course, he will be doing this with mommy. So let's get our apron on. Before we go ahead, let me introduce you to some of the things we have here. So this is just like a mini kitchen for children, but a real kitchen. So we have everything they will need to cook, at least the basic food, and it is for children from age 5 upwards. And it says in the pack that cooking should be done with an adult supervision. There has to be an adult around, because this is real cooking. This is, for example, an electric stove, hot plate, and then we've got fry pan, we've got bowls, we've got pots. So we've got loads of things, this is for making, like if you want to make meat pie, they've got mixer, more pots. In fact, rice cooker is there. So it is just like a realistic kitchen where they learn how to cook the basics. Are you excited about this, Abdullah? Should we start? High five. Good.
What should we say before doing anything?
Bismillah.
Good. I'm going to start with slicing this hot dog. You have always seen me doing it, right? So this is a knife, but it is not the sharp one. So it is very friendly for kids. Yeah, we don't want it to be sharp. So they made it age appropriate and, less harmful. So we should be able to slice things like onions and then these sausages. So it came with also like a chopping board. Come on, Bismillah. Bismillah. So don't cut it too big. Just cut it in tiny bits, Abdullah. That's too big. Yes, tiny bits here. Yeah, assalamu alaikum. Thanks for joining us again. So my little boy has always had interest in cooking. Like if I'm cooking, he will come to the kitchen. And then good enough, I came across this company and then they sent me this sample. And then yeah, the bulk will be coming very soon. It's on the ship already from China.
Ooh, this is like a real cook.
It's a real cooking. Yes, a realistic cooking. Let me give you your spoon.
This is really good.
This is really good. I love it too. At least you can make yourself some noodles.
Little Abdullah with a heart so pure, brave and kind, his spirit soars. Trying new things, he loves to explore, an adventure seeker, always wanting more. He's a superhero in his own right, a shining beacon of love and light. Abdullah, you're a warrior at heart, fearless and strong, you'll always play your part. With a smile that lights up the dark, in Allah's love you'll find your spark. His courage knows no bounds.
So what were you doing here?
I was pouring water,
You were pouring some water into your tiny pot.
but it was too much.
No, this water wasn't so much.
Yes,
You required just a little bit of water to cook the noodles. I actually thought the pot was too tiny to cook the noodles. So, and here you were slicing pepper. This is where they would know that your mommy is a Yoruba woman. Because everything we put atarudo, we can even put atarudo inside water to drink. I cut you up. That was funny, anyways.
But mommy actually helped me.
Yes, I helped you because you were slicing the pepper as though you were slicing meat because it wasn't sharp enough. So I had to help you. And yes, the water was
so
boiling here. Yes, it was hot, and it was time for us to transfer the noodles inside the water.
But I burned my hand. And
You burnt your hand. I can't remember that anyway.
and my hand was so hot.
Oh, bless you.
And it was so fast.
Yes, it was quite fast, you know. And look at it. I couldn't believe that the pot was big enough to accommodate all those noodles. Sorry, what is this? Yes, you were putting some onion powder inside and some seasoning.
I know that you didn't like too much seasoning.
Exactly. I don't like a lot of seasonings. Just a little bit is okay. So I told you not to use everything, right?
Yes.
And then you were turning the noodles with your turning stick. Do you know what we call turning stick in Yoruba? Omorogun.
Omorogun.
Say omorogun.
Omorogun.
And at this juncture, it was ready.
Yes.
And I was like, Mashallah, Tabarakallah, Abdullah, you just cooked noodles. Let me bust your bubble. Do you know there's some uncle that might be watching us here? Some uncles, they cannot even cook what you cook though.
Yes.
Even some aunties, but my sister Lene. At the so much water we have left, and that is a cute little foam to wash the dishes, right?
We didn't need too much water.
We didn't need too much water to cook the noodles, and it was ready, mashallah. And here you were transferring the noodles inside the bowl. Yeah, mashallah, you did a good job, beloved. And then you were making attempt to use this Chinese cutlery to eat the noodles, and I was like, wait, are you Chinese? Is Chinese you? Drop that thing and use fork here, Jerry. Use your hand, my friend. You are a Yoruba boy. Tell me, was the food delicious?
Yes, it was too delicious. I couldn't stop eating.
Mashallah.
Arranging a mini cooking kitchen set for kids is really worth it. This small set includes everything: pots, bowls, and utensils, and the best part is that it actually cooks. Made from food-grade materials, with no open flames, and embedded cookware that stays in place while stirring. The base doesn't get hot, ensuring complete safety. The kids can play happily, easily stir-frying and frying eggs, enhancing their hands-on skills and developing an interest in cooking. It's much better than playing with a phone. It also encourages parent-child interaction, cooking, and tasting together, making kids more motivated to eat. The chef training program starts now. This fun mini cooking kitchen is a must-have for your kids.